gentlemen, welcome to part 197 of Laravel multi-vendor e-commerce website, and we will continue working on the user ratings and reviews for the products. Okay, so this is the last video of user rating and reviews, and after that we are going to start making our website live online. Okay, and we will create the subdomain this time. Okay, not the domain, because domain you already know every time we upload the website by purchasing the domain, but this time you can make the website online in any of the domain. If you have already having, then we are going to make it online. Okay, so right now we will continue working on the ratings and reviews for the products, and this time we are going to show reviews and ratings on the product page. Okay, so here you can see the product detail page in which we are working, and here we are going to show all the reviews that are added by the user. Okay, active reviews we are going to show that are approved by the admin. Okay, I'm going to log in into the admin panel as well, and here I'm going to check here the ratings. Okay, ratings and reviews. Okay, and here you can see that only one of the rating has been approved by the admin so far, so only this will come online. This will be shown. Only the active we are going to show at the product page. Okay, so I'm going to show here. So I will update the detail function in products controller. I will open the products controller here in front. Okay, we'll open the detail function here. Okay, and now I am going to write the query here, like I'm going to write it here. Okay, for ratings, and I want to see that we have earlier not added anything. Okay, so here I'm going to write like ratings. Okay, so I am going to take the rating model, and I'm going to include the user with the rating model. I think we have added the relation last time. Okay, so every rating belongs to some user. Okay, so we are going to attach the user so that we can show the name of the user there as well. So we will only pick the active rating. See two things here to check, and also the first product ID. We are going to pick this product ID of this specific product. We are going to check rating for this specific product. Okay, that is currently online. Okay, whatever the product is. So next condition is status. Okay, status must be 1. Okay, so here I'm going to get to array. Okay, so these ratings I'm going to return to the detail blade. Okay, file. So now I'm going to open here detail blade file. Okay, so first thing is here you can see ratings will come up here, and also we're going to show here. First of all, we are going to work on this one. Okay, we will copy this one and will open here. Okay, so here we are going to show, so here the number of reviews we are going to show, that how many reviews are there. Okay, so here we are just like rating we are sending from there. So here I am going to do it like this, dollar count we are going to, because rating is the array, so here we can do it like this, so that exactly how many ratings. So okay, we need to add the rating model at the top as well. Okay, so we are going to add the rating model here as well. So now I'm going to refresh. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to check here. Still okay, I think we will not add here, but we are going to add here. Okay, at the top somewhere here we are going to add. Refresh, and now this time it is working, and here you can see in reviews we are actually getting the correct reviews. See, there is product 8 is not see, no add see, its name is blue t-shirt. Okay, there is rating for the blue t-shirt, but it is currently disabled. Okay, so we can make it enable. When we will make it enable, it will show the 1 rating here. Okay, so I'm going to check it. See, yes, it is showing now the 1 rating. Okay, so now we are going to show its review as well. We will add the for each condition here it is. Okay, so see a few of the things we are going to disable right now, like this sort by. Okay, sort by we will disable right now. Okay, like this, because we are going to show all the ratings here. And here now I will use this and I'm going to check where it is. I am going to add the loop here, so I'm going to check here divs. Here the divs are. Okay, so I am going to remove all extra divs, just will keep the one, and rest I am going to remove all. And here I am going to add the loop for each loop. Okay, so let's add for each loop, but first of all we are going to check for the rating. If there is any rating, only then we are going to continue. Okay, with this div. Okay, otherwise this div will not show. Okay, so here I'm going to check the rating. If ratings is greater than 0, then only this div we are going to show. And after this, one more condition I'm going to add here, for each, and here I'm going to take ratings once again, ratings as dollar rating. Okay, so I'm going to close this one, and for each. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now for each ratings as dollar rating, plus view data, and here we are going to show the name of the person who rate. Okay, for that we will first debug that what is exactly coming in the detail function in rating. Okay, we can simply debug this one, that we need to see that what data it is showing. Okay, so that it will be easier for us. See here, see user data is also coming up here. Okay, so I will open the separate window here, so it will help us. Okay, so here I'm going to now disable this one, and okay, so like this, here you can see the details. Okay, so now here we can pick the name of the user then name. Okay, so we are going to pick the name here. Okay, like this, dollar rating user name. Okay, and here we are going to show the date. Okay, date of the rating, dollar rating credited at. And here we are going to show the review as well. Okay, so we are going to show the review, not here, this part we are going to remove, and here we are going to show the review. Okay, title we are going to remove. Okay, dollar rating, and then review will come up here. Okay, so I'm going to check here that how it looks. I'm going to refresh, and one of the rating that the user that see here, Amin Gupta, and see date format is not correct. We need to change the date format. Okay, change date format in PHP. Earlier also we have updated the date format. Okay, so yeah, from this Stack Overflow link we can update the date for. We are online. There is some issues. I think there is some issue. Okay, so let me try the date format that we are required to update here. Okay, so here I'm going to see, I'm going to take the date. We're going to show the format like D M Y H I S. Okay, then comma, then we are going to convert this one str to time, and we are going to take it in bracket, I think. This must work fine. Let's see. And see, I'm going to check here date format. See, syntax error comes here. I'm going to check this. We need to close here. Date str time, and here we need to close 2 times, I think. Now we are going to check, and I'm going to see here reviews, and here you can see the date format is now correct. Okay, 14/6/2023, 14/57. Okay, and see here the review is also coming, but star we need to show the stars here. See, this is just static. We need to show the dynamic stars here. Okay, so for that we are required to add the loop here, while loop here. Okay, and I am going to remove this part, and inside this I'm going to add our code, like I'm going to add the PHP code this time. Okay, sorry. So here I'm going to add dollar count equal to 0, while dollar count is less than dollar rating. Okay, so here we are going to close this one like this, and here PHP dollar count plus plus, and here I'm going to end this one, and here we are going to add the span of the stars. And what I'm going to do here, there is the Ascii code for star ampersand and 9733. Okay, so I'm going to check it now. If it works fine, I'm going to see reviews, and here the fitting is not good, only 1 star the user given, so 1 star it's coming fine. Okay, we can even make the color like we can use the gold color for this one, and we're going to check here. Okay, so let's see reviews, and here you can see only 1 star is given by this person. Okay, so now, like if we are going to rate for more products. Okay, uh, like if some other user comes and rate for the product, so let's rate for this product by some other user. Okay, so I'm going to log in with some other account this time, like I think there may be the other account that we must check. Okay, like Amit 100 to Amit 200 @yahoo.com. I will try for from this account. Okay, so I'm going to log in and see it is saying incorrect username and password. What I'm going to do, I am going to pick this password, and will update with Amit 200. Okay, this one fine. So I have updated the password. Now I will try to log in. So this time it is login. Okay, so now I'm going to the same product once again. Okay, so that product ID is, I think, 8 product ID. Okay, so I will try to rate this product once again, and here I will go to the reviews, and here the person is going to 5-star rating. Okay, product is really good. So one person is saying not good, and one saying product is really good. Okay, so this one I'm going to submit its review, and it will reach the admin panel, and you can see this time some other user rate for the same product. Okay, so you can also open this product as well. So now see, it's inactive. In the beginning the rating for all the products are inactive, so I'm going to make it active, and now I'm going to check in the product details, and I hope that the rating must come. Reviews, there are 2 reviews now, one from the Amit Gupta. This name is also the same one. Okay, because I have given the same name. Okay, same name. Otherwise you can and you can update the name as well. Like if you will update the Rahul Gupta, then it will show the Rahul Gupta here as well. You can see I will go to the reviews and you can see the Rahul Gupta. This rating is from the Rahul Gupta, 5 star. Product is really good, and this rating is from the Rahul Gupta, 1 star. Fitting is not good. Okay, I will remove the paging because we are going to show all the rating in the one page right now. Okay, so I'm going to remove this paging at all. This is not required here. Okay, see, if you want to show these things like paging or some sort kind of thing, then what we're going to do, we are going to show this rating in the separate page, because it's in tab, it will not work at all. Okay, in tab we can't call the ajax and will update here. It becomes very complex. Okay, so it's always better, like if we will give some link, we will just give the few ratings here like Amazon do, and here we can give the more ratings link, and once we click on that, separate page will open in which we are going to show all the ratings with the pagination, with the pages, as well as with the sort option. Okay, so that we will do in our Laravel 10 series. Okay, when we will work on it, we will do this thing as well. Okay, so now you can see two of the ratings are now coming, and now I want to update this one as well, this average rating as well, and also this one reviews. Okay, so two reviews. So here, see, rating and reviews count will be same for both. Okay, because we the user is required to post the rating as well as the review for the product. Only he can't do one thing, he need to do both. Okay, so one thing here I'm going to see, here I'm going to see, pick this one, count rating, and I want to show where it is given 15. Okay, I will search 15 here. Here it is, use 15. I'm going to show here. Okay, and okay, so now I'm going to check here. Once again I will go to the reviews, and here you can see two reviews so far. Okay, fine. So now here also two reviews so far, and here average rating. So now we are going to check for the average rating. We will calculate the average rating now. Okay, so for that we will modify the detail function once again. See, this one is we can say get rating, get all ratings of product. Okay, all ratings of product. Okay, so we can, this one is not required, and now I'm going to make it get average rating of product. Okay, so here I'm going to pick rating sum. I'm going to calculate two things here. One is the rating, and where status 1 and product ID, this one this same condition once again. Sorry. Okay, where product ID, dollar ID, and status is 1, and but here it will come some rating. Okay, so here after this rating count, rating, and here also we are see, here also we are going to pick this one. Okay, product ID as well as the status, but here we will just count how much ratings are done for this particular product. Okay, this is the sum of all stars rating. Okay, sum of all rating, like one, like 2 user given so far. I'm going to open that rating here, where it is, ratings, here it is. Okay, like 2 users given so far for this product 8. One is 1 rating and one is 5 rating. So what is happening here, rating in rating sum, it will come as 1 plus 5 6. and here rating count, it will come 1 rating, 2 rating, 2. Okay, in rating count 2, and in rating sum 5 plus 1 6. Okay, so I hope it is clear, because we need to calculate the average rating. So this is the way that we need to calculate the average rating. We will divide we will rating sum divide by rating count. Okay, this is the rating sum. Rating sum is 6 divided by rating count. What it is? It is 2. 6 divided by 2, so that will come as the rating, average rating. Okay, so here I will show you how we can do. And here rating count. Okay, here also we are going to take a rating sum, rating count, or okay, it is fine. So here I'm going to pick a rating count. Rating count is greater than 0. Okay, so here average rating, I will round off as well. So I will pick rating sum divided by rating count. Okay, and here see, this is the totally, it will show the point like 3.5, 4.5. So that's why we have taken the decimal point, because we want to show there in number as well. Okay, floating number as well, that how much rating it is actually. But for the stars we need to round off the points. Okay, uh, like if the rating is 3.4, it will show the 4 star. Like if the rating is 3.6, it will show the 4 star. If the rating is 3.2, it will show the 3 star. So we need to round off. Okay, for the star. So here I am going to add here average star rating. Okay, average star rating here I'm going to add. So here I will round off. Okay, so the difference is, here we are going to round off completely, because we want the integer value, we don't want the float value, we just want the number. Okay, without any floating value. So here the star, here the question is that we will not make the star half. We will either we will show 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, like this. Okay, but this is actually the number, floating number. Okay, so that we will give see, near to the star, we are going to give that number as well, so the exact rating the user will able to know. So here average rating and average star rating. So now we are going to show this in our detail. Okay, so this one first, I will pick this one, average rating. I'm going to search here for the rating. I'm going to check in the at the top. Okay, so it is 23. So I'm going to search with the 23. Okay, here, so I'm going to give first of all here, and average rating I'm going to give here. Okay, so like this one is, seems to be the average rating, and I'm going to give here like this average rating that we have just calculated, average rating. And this one we are going to give here like dollar. Okay, so now we are going to check here, and based on here, see, this one we already know, count dollar rating. Okay, so I'm going to check it once. So here see, make sure this one, I think the ratings array, not the rating. Yeah, so still it is not updated. I think 23 is given somewhere else, not here. See, here it is. Okay, so here it is saying that but we are going to show here the average rating as well. So I'm going to show it here as well, average rating. But here 5 star, 3 star, I don't think that it is the actual place. I will need to search. Here it is. Okay, so here we are going to give it once again. Okay, 3. Okay, 3 is I'm going to check, the 3 is not the exact. Okay, so average rating is it is fine. Okay, so average star rating also we're going to give it here. inside this. Okay, so here I'm going to start like here I'm going to first see we'll check for the average star rating. Dollar average star rating is greater than 0. Okay, so this is the condition that we have started, and I'm going to, and if okay, so here PHP, in PHP I'm going to start like earlier on also we have done. Okay, so here dollar star 1, and here while dollar star is less than or equal to dollar average star rating. Okay, so here once again that span, and here that number, that Ascii code for the star, that is 9733, this one. And here once again I will start PHP dollar star plus plus, and here we will close like this. So here there is some issue that we need to see. Here we forget to start the braces. Okay, it seems to be fine, but here we need to move this one as well. Okay, so 3 star, it seems to be fine, but what we are going to do here, like we are going to add it here. Average rating, I think here now it seems to be fine. And here one more thing we are going to give here, style. Here we will give the color as gold, and also font size, some we need to increase the font size for the star as well. And here we are going to give the 17 pixel font size. Okay, so I'm going to check it once again. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, better than the last one. She starts along with the average rating, it is. So this one also like 4.5 out of 5. So here the total rating. Okay, so I'm going to 4.5 out of 5, this one is the average rating, average. So I'm going to pick this one and we'll replace here out of 5, that is fine, based on. And here what we're going to do here, the count of rating, count dollar ratings. Okay, so now we are going to check once, see here what is coming exactly. So I want to see that there are only 2 ratings so far for this product, but it is showing 3, there is only 2. So why it is doing like this? We will start from it, I think 0, then I think it will only show no this is the average rating actually, but why it is wrong? See, total ratings are only 2, this is the average rating though, so it's fine, 3 star. But I want to see, it's fine, review, this one is the 2. So if I will bring the mouse over it, I want to see that what it is showing. It is not showing anything so far. So it is not showing anything, but here it must show 2 here. Okay, because 2 rating is done so far. So this is the average rating, we are showing 3, that is fine. And also we are going here, so average rating here as well, based on 2 reviews, average rating is 3. So it seems to be fine. But what happen if the rating we increase, like fitting is not good, or I can practice really good, I will make it 4. So I think rating will decrease. So let's see, it may become 2.5 or something. See average rating, I'm going to check it as well. See, yes, 2.5, it's now 2.5 because we have now updated the rating of one of the user from 5 to 4, so that's why the average rating is now less than before. Okay, so 2.5 now. So here also you can see the 1 star and 4 star. Earlier it is the 5 star. Okay, so this one is working fine, this 2.5, this one based on 2 reviews also working fine. This one average rating is, it is also showing 2.5, that is also fine. So the only thing left is we will also update this one as well. Okay, so we are going to modify this as well. And here what we are going to do, we will calculate these as well in the detail function. Okay, so once again we will update the detail function here, like we are counting this rating count. So now we will count that how much like star rating. Okay, get star rating here. And now we are going to count like rating 1 count, rating 1 star count, like 1 star, rating 1 star count, like this. Okay, so here we will add one more condition here, like here rating is only 1 star. Okay, rating will be 1 only in this case. So like this we are going to do for all 5. Okay, rating 1, rating 1 star, rating 2 star, rating 3 star, rating 4 star, rating 5 star. Okay, so here I'm going to pick like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here I'm going to copy the rating 1 star count, rating 2 star count, rating 3 star count, rating 4 star count, and rating 5 star count. So these we are going to use there, like rating 1 star count. Here we are going to show there where we have the ratings here. Okay, like rating 1 star, here we are going to show its count. Okay, we are going to do this for all. Okay, I'm going to modify it like this, and we are going to update this one also. We are going to update to 0. So here 5 star, 5, and here 4 star, 4, and here 3 star, 3, and here 2 star, 2. We are going to check it once. So let's see. Undefined variable, we are any 2 star count, we must send all these here as well. Rating 2 star count, we must check there that's working fine here or not. Rating 2 star count, like this. Okay, so now it is working. I think we're going to check. See, 1 star is there and 4 star is there, 1 for here and 1 for here. Okay, so it is working fine. And here you can see this one is also working and working everything. This one is also working based on 2 reviews, and rating is also coming, average rating here. So everything is seems to be working fine with the rating and reviews. So like this you can able to add the ratings for all the products. User can able to add the ratings and the admin will approve, and for the approved rating we will show at the detail page. Okay, so that's it. And in the next video we will start working on making this website online live as the subdomain in the GoDaddy server. Okay, one of the best server available online. So we are going to do that, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time.